Alright, good morning everybody. This is your weekly outlook video on all of the SA shares, SA stock market. Please read through the disclaimer. Today is the 25th of October, Sunday morning. I like to work Saturday mornings and Sunday mornings when I'm fresh and look at the charts and just see what the market is giving us, where we can commit to trade. So please remember, these videos are only 10-15 minutes. I try to teach a bit. I want to show you how I think when I'm going to get into the trades, where my stop losses will be. But if you don't want to watch 10-15 minutes, the videos, I think you can learn something. But if you don't want to, you just go to our site, you click charts and analysis. All of the Forex pairs are there. There's tips and lessons at the bottom. The results are there. Indices, videos you will get over weekends, Elliott wave charts on FX pairs. And the trade summary is the chart, is the file that we show which trades we are in currently. If you go click on SA stocks, this is what this video is all about. You can just see all of the stocks there that I am looking for this week. We are on 6 trades already. 6 trades, 5 are working, and it seems that Pan African is gonna stop us out next week. So please read through the disclaimer and let's go to the market. Right, let's read up. First one here, African Rainbow Capital. What am I seeing on this chart? Obviously, we below this trend line. It's still a bearish market. We're also below this support and resistance level. But see how the market is giving us some V reversal there, V bottom. And after the V bottom, very important that I see a correction here. So the market pushed higher aggressively from the bottom. Now the correction comes, and now I want to commit to the upside. I'm not a dollar, or I'm not a stock bear. In other words, I don't like to sell stocks. I'm a bull. I will rather buy them. But I really need a good reason or setup to sell a specific share on the stock market. I am really a bull. I'm trying to be long all the time. So what I'm going to do here, I've got the support and resistance level there at 3 Rand. If the market gives me a very strong closing and opening price above that 3 Rand level, I will commit to this trade. And I see this high there is 3 Rand 80, and at the bottom here, that price, so that will be the length I'm going to add here, and that will be my price target area. I will be aware of this 3 Rand 90 area, that is that support and resistance level. I will then immediately, if we're halfway to that level, I'm going to put our stop losses on 0. Then we cannot lose on this trade, and we can just trail our stop losses going after this 4 Rand and 4 Rand 40 area. Next one, AMS. I don't think there's much to say about this. I've been doing this chart for the last 3 weeks, I think. Anglo-American Platinum. I see this as a head and shoulders, as a continuation pattern. In other words, there you are, left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder here. I said 3 weeks ago that is a bullish flag, but I'm not going to buy this bullish flag once it breaks, because that resistance is just above there. But I do see this as a very good long-term investment if it wants to break to the upside, only if it breaks. Remember, this is my personal opinion. The most successful trading strategy, especially stocks, is buying breakout levels in the direction of the trend, or you can sell breakout levels in the direction of the trend. There's no doubt about it. Too many traders guess in which direction the market will go. Wait for those breakouts. If the market moves, then only you are allowed to push your buy or sell button. Right. So very important. When the market moves, then we move. Not the other way around. The market does not care about us. Right. So let's go. Aviva, one that's working for us. Right. Let's look at Aviva, why we got into this and what we're expecting. So from these bottoms, let's go to the daily chart here. We bought this. Now I was looking for this market. Again, from the bottom, this is a bullish move with slow overlapping. This is the correction, and this cup was my trigger. I put in the resistance and support levels there at 6 Rand 59. I got this cup, and once the market broke this cup, the rim of the cup, I got bullish on this at $7, and I'm going for this 9 Rand 90 area. Again, it's just the length of this move. This is the correction, and then I'm just going to go for this move, and I'll be out of the trade. Our stop losses are on 7 Rand already. So it is at break even. We cannot lose with this trade anymore. Right. Next one I want to look at. Just delete this. Arrowhead Property Limited. That is a trade that I'm looking for next week. If it can break above R1.70, I will do the same. You can see it's basically the same as the previous charts. Bullish move from the bottom here. And then this overlapping, this also support and resistance level. If we can get above there, I will buy. Stop losses will be below these lows. And then I will go for the same length, probably into this R3 area. So now we'll say, yeah, but it's only a R1.40 move. Well, R1.40 out of 160, that's it is almost 100% move from 160 to R3.20. So something to look at. Don't look at the rand value of the move. Look at the percentage growth. More important. Too many traders, especially in Forex. I've made 200 pips or 400 pips for this week, and it sounds wonderful. But it's only the percentage on your portfolio that counts, because your stop losses will differ. I will expand on that a little later, a few weeks from here. Right, so the next one, blue telecoms. This was a very nice setup. This was a head and shoulders bottom as a trend reversal bottom. That is the neckline. What I liked about this neckline, it was past support, then it became resistance. And we also had this small little rectangle there, which is also acting as a continuation pattern. So once the market broke there, we took the trade. Our stop losses was here initially below this right shoulder, but now the market is moving in our favor. We put our stop losses on R3 now, so I'm just limiting or bringing down the risk here. And we're basically going for that resistance at R5.20. That is where I am seeing blue label telecoms go. What I also like about this is that this downward trend line has been broken. So head and shoulders bottom here, and the market is moving upwards, and then we go to the upside. So that is also a positive for us. Next one, Capitec. Now this is a nice lesson about triangles. Remember that symmetrical triangles will have lower highs and higher lows. It's a correction, and the breakout in the direction of the trend is the most successful way to trade this. So if the market comes from the bottom, we have a symmetrical triangle here. The market breaks into this triangle. If it breaks to the downside, you just join the trend. Now you will say, yeah, but this market is bearish. How did you buy this against the trend? Guys, please look at this. From these bottoms, the market moved up first. It's a bullish move, and then we got this symmetrical triangle, and now the market broke the resistance level, broke the symmetrical triangle here, and we got into Capitec. We're going after this 1,214, 1,333, everything in that box. I will take profit. Very good trade here. Stop losses, you can also put your stop losses on 0 or break even. I think our entry level there was 1,030 bucks. I must go have a look. 1,030 rand is where our entry was. So very nice move into this 1,240 area. That's where we're going to take profits on Capitec. Coronation is the next one that I am looking for. The same with Anglo-American. See how similar these charts look. It's also head and shoulders with a V bottom here. Also a bullish flag, but remember, wait for it to break. Don't be too quick on this. Wait for the bullish flag here to break. Then if it breaks above this 45 Rand area, I want to commit to the stop losses will be on 36 Rand. And then obviously we'll take the distance from the head to the neckline. Will basically my target profit area. So this is a neck bottom at, let's make it 25 Rand, that's 45 Rand. So there's a 20 Rand move here. You get in with a 20 Rand move, you will take it up to 65 Rand. That will be my price target for Coronation for next week, only once it breaks. So we've got the direction, it's a bullish market. There's our setup, is a continuation pattern, and once the market moves, then we're going to jump on this. Netgear. This is the one that I want to buy on Monday. You can see all of these charts are very similar. Move from the bottom here into this bullish flag, slow and overlapping correction. Now the market is finding some bottom here, and now the market broke the first resistance. It's outside of the range of this bullish flag, and I want to buy Netgear if we open and close, open on Monday basically. 14 Rand 65, I will put my stop losses around 12 Rand 70, just below this low here. Maybe I'm going to wait for a pullback into this 14.50 area, but we don't have any guarantee that that will come. So no guarantee. So the safest here is to buy it once it opens, and you can basically take this length, just add it there, and you will know Netgear, you're going basically to this 18 Rand 50 area. So Netgear is the one that I want to enter on next week. Tiger Brands, we are long on Tiger Brands. We saw this as an ascending triangle. We used this par support future resistance area as an entry level, and once the market broke above that resistance, we bought, and we're going after this 228, 255. That is the area that I am looking for take profit on Tiger Brands. Nice one there, moving our favor. Pan-African is the next one. We've got 4 minutes left. I think we're going to make it. I think we'll do it in time. So please give me some feedback. What do you think on these on this video? What do you think about this video? What do you think about the ideas? If you want to get involved in our services, please email me. I'm going to give my detail to you just now. So this is the one that's going to stop us out most probably next week. Very nice setup here. It was a descending wedge. The market gave us a bullish engulfing candle. We were waiting for the follow through. That did come the next day. We bought this once the market broke this resistance, but it's not following through. It just came back, and below 40 Rand 30 or 4 Rand 30, we're going to be stopped out, and we're going to relook at this for another entry higher. If not, walk away from it. Don't let it bother you. We are in 5 trades already, and the 6-1 on Netgear is going to open up on Monday. Right, Standard Bank, very nice rectangle here again, guys. This is coming from the bottom, rectangle. I'm looking for a break higher into this 140 Rand area. This closing is not convincing enough for me. I will wait another day or two, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. If I have follow through on this, then I am going to commit. If, however, we get an opening price below this resistance line, I will wait then for a second break before I will commit. Because of this closing price so close to the resistance, I will not buy it immediately, but wait for a day or two. Woolies, another one that's moving in our favor. A nice move on Thursday and Friday. We're going to get out at 42 Rand, 41.80. We're going to take profit there. This was head and shoulders bottom. We bought it once the market broke the resistance. Stop losses were below here, and now the market is moving our favor. This is why stocks are very easy to trade if in comparison with the FX market. You just basically buy and leave, no stress, where the FX market is very short term, high risk. That is why you cannot risk more than 2% on FX pairs. Head and shoulders bottom here on Rimgrow. I want to buy this on Monday. This is one of the ones that I want to buy on Monday. This is basically buying with the opening price is above that resistance, and I'm going for the closing of the gap at 140 Rand, and we're only at $100 now. So that's a nice 40% move, I believe, coming on Rimgrow. Rimgrow, if the market gives us a move into this 112, 116, 120 area, I'm going to put my stop losses on 0. Rimgrow one that I'm going to look at on Monday again. So there are 2 for Monday. Sasol, I'm just going to be patient with this one. I want to buy it, but I want to look for maybe a move back to $60 if we can get this. I don't want to buy now at 100 Rand. And Sasol falls through to 60 Rand. That's a 40% down on equity. That's not good. But it's showing some pullback here. I'm looking for a move back into this 320 Rand area if oil can start to move. All right, and the last one that I want to look at, our 15 minutes is gone. Bullish flag here, same scenario. All of these charts are looking at as a growth point properties. If you can break above 12 Rand 80, 13 Rand, I will buy this and I'll take just the same length. There would be my take profit area. So those are the stocks that I'm looking at for this week. 2, 3 of them going to open up on Monday. Guys, if you want to get involved with our services, you can contact me, Kobus at SA Forex Trading. You can also go to our Facebook page, SA Forex Trading. Get involved. You will get weekly videos like this, updated each and every week on the stocks, and daily setups on the FX pairs as well. You must have a wonderful weekend, and let's see what the market brings us this week. All right, everybody, keep well.